With household credit card debt being over $1 trillion to date, I thought it'd be a really cool idea to shoot a video about how you could consolidate your credit card debt so that you could save thousands of dollars over the next few years and potentially the next few months. To give you a better idea of what I'm talking about and how you could save money, let's just say that if you had $30,000 in credit card debt at an APR of 25% per year, your minimum monthly payments would be $925, and that's going to be inclusive of your interest plus 1% of the overall balance. Now, if you paid the minimum monthly payment, it would take you 465 months to pay off that debt. And in that time, you would pay $61,819 in interest alone. Now, let's just say that you took that same $30,000 in credit card debt and you transferred it over into a debt consolidation loan with a fixed interest rate of 10% with a loan term of 5 years or 60 months. Your estimated monthly payments would be $637, leaving you with total interest paid over the next 60 months of $8,244. That's a difference of $50,000 in interest if you were to pay the minimum monthly payments for 465 months off of your credit card versus paying that same debt through a debt consolidation loan with a significantly lower interest rate at 10% over the next 60 months. So you can see the power of using debt weapons like loans and credit cards at your advantage so that you could save money. What's going on YouTube? My name is Art Smith, and on this channel, I like to focus on educating consumers and borrowers just like yourself understand your financial options so that you could avoid predatory lending practices from institutions and individuals. So if you're looking for straight to the point, no BS financial information, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. And if you're enjoying content just like this, do me a favor and smash that like button. And if you have any recommendations on what you want my next video to be about, do me a favor and drop those recommendations in the comment section below. Now, before I jump into the 5 different banks, let's talk about why you should transfer your credit card debt to a debt consolidation loan in the first place. Number 1 is because you're going to be paying significantly less interest over the life of your debt. Number 2, you're going to have a lower monthly payment. And number 3, your credit score is going to significantly increase after you pay off your credit card debt. However, you may be worried that your high credit card debt is going to restrict you from getting a loan from another bank in the first place. Because why would another bank loan you money when you owe a significant amount of money to your current institution that you are banking with now? So here are a few tips that you could use in order to increase your odds of getting approved for a debt consolidation loan. Number 1, make sure that your debt to income ratio is going to be less than 35% in order to get approved for a new loan. Your debt to income ratio is going to consist of your consumer debt, so your housing payment plus your minimum credit card payments, personal loans, car loans, student loans. All of those minimum payments are going to be found on your credit profile or your credit report. That needs to be less than 35% of your overall or projected income. Number 2, make sure that you date the bank before you marry them. So this simply means that before you ask the new bank for $10,000, $15,000, or $30,000, make sure that you have a checkings and savings account at minimum set up, and make sure that you're making regular deposits for the next 2 to 3 months before you apply for a personal or debt consolidation loan. Number 3, make sure that there's no late payments on your credit profile or no late payments on any accounts on your credit report within the past 12 months. And number 4, make sure that you delete or remove any hard inquiries that are found on your credit report within the last 12 months that are not attached to any open accounts. Now, if you follow all of these tips, you will increase your odds of getting approved for a debt consolidation loan. So let's jump right into the 5 banks that are offering debt consolidation loans at 10% or below. Now, bank number 1 is going to be Truist Bank. Now, Truist Bank is offering an unsecured personal loan with a starting APR or interest rate of 8.87% at the time of me shooting this video. Their minimum loan amount is going to be $3,500, and their maximum loan amount is not disclosed online, but their maximum loan amount should be around $50,000, and they could potentially go all the way up to $100,000. However, if you are going to be applying for a loan with Truist Bank over $50,000, make sure that you give the bank a call and touch base with a loan officer to see if they loan above $50,000. Max term for their unsecured personal loans is going to be 60 months, and there are no origination fees and no transfer fee from transferring that debt over to your credit card into this new unsecured personal loan. Now, the great thing about Truist Bank is if you're not banking with them currently, then you can set up a free checking account, and also you can get paid for doing so as well too. They are currently offering a $400 sign-up bonus by opening up a checking account and setting up direct deposit with them. All information about Truist Bank and this offer is going to be in the description box below. Now, bank number 2 is going to be Penn Fed Credit Union, also known as Pentagon Federal Credit Union. Now, this bank is offering an unsecured debt consolidation loan with a starting interest rate of 8.99% with a maximum loan amount of $50,000. Maximum term is going to be 60 months, no origination fees, no early payoff penalties, no balance transfer fees, and you can become a member of PenFed today by simply depositing $5 into their online savings account. There are no geo restrictions, and you do not need to be in the military in order to be a member of PenFed. All information to this loan and joining PenFed will also be in the description box below. Bank number 3 is going to be SoFi Bank, that is also offering an unsecured debt consolidation loan with a starting APR or interest rate of 8.99%. Minimum loan amount is going to be $5,000 and maximum loan amount with SoFi Bank is going to be up to $100,000. Max loan term is going to be 60 months or 5 years, and there are no origination fees, no early payoff penalties, and no balance transfer fees as well too. Now, SoFi Bank is also widely known, and they are currently offering a $300 sign-up bonus if you open up a free checking and savings account with them. Links to this offer and bank is going to be in the description box below. Now, bank number 4 is going to be Wells Fargo. They are also offering an unsecured debt consolidation loan with a starting interest rate of 7.49%. Minimum loan amount is going to be $3,000. Maximum loan amount is also going to be $100,000 with a maximum term of 84 months. They also have no origination fees, no early payoff penalties, no balance transfer fees, making this another great institution to transfer over that credit card debt into a debt consolidation loan. Now, bank number 5 is going to be Navy Federal Credit Union, who is also offering an unsecured debt consolidation loan with a starting interest rate of 8.99%. Now, their traditional max term is going to be 60 months on their installment loans. However, if you decide to get creative and take advantage of their home improvement loan, you could take advantage of a maximum term of up to 180 months. That's going to be 15 years. No origination fees, no early payoff penalties, no balance transfer fees as well too with Navy Federal. Now, check out these 5 banks if you want to save on a monthly basis, pay less interest over the life of your debt, and significantly increase your credit score by paying down your consumer credit card debt. Now, if you have any questions about these tactics, do me a favor and drop your questions in the comment section below. And if you're enjoying this straight to the point, no BS financial information, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. You are truly appreciated, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.